Often when you're alone, it's very easy to think that maybe you're missing out on everything. That maybe people don't like you. Maybe there is something wrong with you. Otherwise, why wouldn't you fit in? Otherwise, why wouldn't you have friends just like everyone else? And if you are that person, I welcome you to this video. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Chia Bisht. And in this video, we are going to focus about how being alone can actually help you. It can help you in your growth, in your development, and I'm very excited because, there is often a misconception that being alone is related with sadness, being alone is related with weakness, and we'll break it down all today. We'll break down all those negative thoughts and stereotypes. Okay, first of all, let's start by stating this fact that if you think that being around with people will make you happier, more joyous, more satisfied, then you're wrong. Yes, they cannot even give you 0.001% of any of those thoughts. And do you know why? When you are with people, yes, you can have a happy time, yes, you can have a satisfactory time, but as soon as you come back to your place, you'll feel all those emotions back again, all those negative emotions back again, because at the end, it's not them who resolves those inner issues in you, it's you who solves all those problems. That being said, now we'll focus on how being alone is actually good for you. See, first of all, I think this is I love this one. And this is the fact that when you are alone, you owe nobody nothing. You have nobody to take responsibility for. You can do whatever you want. If you want right now, you can dance, jump up and dance. If you want right now, you can scream and shout and cry and go out shopping, go out in any restaurant, order food, cook food, do not cook food, sleep hungry. You can do anything. An opportunity that a lot of people with families, a lot of people who are living with their friends, who are surrounded with their friends cannot do, because of course they have certain responsibility. If I have my family, I cannot just head out to wherever I want. I'll have to think about them first. Everything about them, their safety, whether they're safe, they are provided for. But when you're alone, no responsibilities. Now, how awesome is that? And that is why you're being sad, because you have no responsibility. Hey, what are you doing? Secondly, when you're alone, you are the most creative self. You are at your best. The chances of you being successful when you are alone are more. And I'm saying that why? Because when you are with people, your thoughts have become alloys. They are not in their purest form. When I'm with people, when I'm with 4 people, now my thought are the sum of those 4 people's thought and plus my thought. But when I'm with nobody, it's my thoughts. I know what's best for me. 2 people cannot tell me that I have to be something. 2 people cannot tell me I have to do something. Now I know what I have to do. That is why it's so powerful being alone. And I was reading in this book, Deep Work, and I don't exactly remember because I had read it quite long ago. But I think it was talking about Carl Jung, that he would take certain time alone in the woods and he would work there on his projects or whatever. That is the power of being alone, that people deliberately isolate themselves. I have my uncle who had to prepare for an exam, and he left his family and rented a room. He bought a room for himself and he did that. Wait a second. Oh god, the video got cut. Oh, I like when videos are in one flow, but okay, we'll merge them up. So, he deliberately isolated himself because he knew the power of being alone. So utilize this time. Why you're wasting this time thinking, oh, I'm alone, how to not be alone? Why don't you find out your inner potentialities and use it right now? This is the best time you can ever have. With people around you, they'll always drag you down with their fixed mindset. But right now, you have everything. Nobody to disturb you. Nobody to have conflicts with you, peace, and just your work. So use this time. Thirdly, when you are alone, you have peace. And you know who you have peace with? Peace with yourself. This is such a small concept, you know. Everybody at the end are looking to have peace with themselves. And when you're alone, you can have that. You can have that. A person can come and tell you that you're ugly. It won't matter to you. Do you know why? Do you know why? First, because you already know that that person saying ugly doesn't really matter, because now you do not have people pleasing tendencies, because you have already been alone. So now you do not fear being alone. So their judgment really do not count at all. Secondly, you have spent time with yourself. You know yourself. You know yourself in and out. When you're alone, you have nobody to talk to, only your thoughts. So now you know who you are. So a person calling you ugly would not really affect you. Yes, it won't. Now you know that, hey, I'm this person. I'm a kind person. So take this time, journal, write thoughts, think about yourself. There are so many good questions about yourselves on Pinterest. So go through them and journal about them. And you'll realize that you're such an amazing human being. You'll realize that you are such an awesome company. Why would I be bored? Why would I be freaking out in a company of this person? In my own company. I'm the best company. And if people want to be with me, it is a privilege for them to have this company. Just like I have a privilege of having my own company. That should be your mindset. Stop seeking people out. Stop going out, running behind them. They are not worth it. I mean, they can be, you know, they can be good person, great persons, but nobody will ever be as interesting as you, because you can never understand the complexities of a particular person. Only they can. So why spend time chasing them and finding their own company? What are the odds that they will actually turn out to be good for you? Why not just find out, explore yourself during this time, find out what do you want, have a perfect clear vision, because you know, when you are alone, and I have had that time as well, I have had that period. Right now, God bless, I have the best of friends around me, but I would not have had those friends if I did not go through that time, because I didn't have clarity what kind of people I wanted. When you are constantly around with people, you take in every person. You do not have clarity what kind of friends you want, what partner, what career. You take everything, because there are so many people nagging. There is so much noise that you do not even take time to breathe. This is the time you breathe. This is the time you find everything that you want to do and you do it. Okay? And also, trust me when I say this, that being alone is just a phase. It's not your reality. It's not, I mean, reality, like permanent reality. It's not your permanent reality. It's not even an end goal. Because even when you die, there are people who are around you. So you'll never die alone. So don't fear about that. Okay? There will always be someone. But enjoy this period, enjoy this phase. If you will waste this phase looking into videos, why am I alone, how to not be alone, you won't be able to enjoy it. So look at it from a different lens, and please promise me that this is the last video you're going to watch about being alone. Like, please, let this be the last video, and just enjoy. Okay, enjoy. That's all I can say. And if you like this video, do like, do subscribe, do comment. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.